One big dandelion comes out like that. Wow, tons. Two. One big freaking heavy metal bar, 5 feet long. Going in. All right, so we've excavated numerous large boulders to find how these guys are wrapped in and around. So it's about a foot down, 12 inches, 30 centimeters. So it broke off right in here. It broke off right in there. And then has these other roots just grabbing underneath the beam. And that's how, and even more roots. That's how these work. Dandelions. So, and they don't just die if you just break them off. They just somehow last. I don't know for how long. I think years.